I'm not a kid.
Okay, you're arguing with
If
me.
you have a car,
Get
I
another
have
car.
a car.
Get another car.
I know.
How does go vibrating, right?
Can I try to hurry, please?
Can you put up the window?
The way this is all rammed up on the side, you talking about the stroller?
Excuse me?
And you seem like a sensitive snowflake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Will and this is an episode of The Best Humans of New York. I'm about to get into an argument with this sweet old lady because she is spilling coffee in my car. My mom would be so proud of me.
Ooh, careful, careful. Hold on, let me give you paper towel. Hold on. No, don't put that in.
It's okay.
Let me give you paper towels. Please
Yeah,
don't.
I know. Don't worry. I can handle.
Please don't get coffee
No,
on
no,
mine.
no. Don't worry.
No,
Okay.
I saw coffee spill on that. I don't want my car to get
I'm
stained.
not spilling. I'm holding it. I'm going to hold. It just only when I thought it's
Miss, stop. Hand me the cup, please. Miss, please. I don't want my car to get stained.
okay. Don't worry. I'm not a kid. I know what I'm
Miss.
doing.
Oh, miss.
Sir, I'm not drinking. Okay, I'm holding it. I'm not to drink.
Oh,
Okay, go.
are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Do you hear what I'm saying?
Yes,
You spilled. I'm trying to prevent my car from getting stained.
I know. I'm not spilling it. I'm holding it. What you want me to throw it out?
I'm trying to wipe it.
I know what you're doing. I'm holding it. I'm not a kid.
Okay, you're arguing with
If
me.
you have a car,
Get
I have
another
also
car.
a car.
Get another car.
I know.
Miss, I'm trying to politely
I
explain to
know.
you.
I understand that.
You're
But
not
you need to spare
understanding.
your
You're
car,
not
okay?
understanding. Listen, I told you not to put that in the car. You put it in the car. I was getting paper towels out for you so you could wipe it before putting it in my car.
What do you want me to do? I throw it
to
out?
wipe it. Just wipe it, not throw it out. I didn't say throw it out.
I didn't spill anything here.
Miss,
Okay?
look, you're spilling on the, it spilled on the cup.
Sure.
And then you were gonna put it
Sure.
on my door.
That's not spilling on it. This is already been. I got it already.
I
okay?
saw that happen right in front of my eyes. I saw it, okay, miss?
Okay. I'm holding it. Okay, what you want me to throw it out? I throw it out.
I didn't say throw it out.
Okay,
I want
then
you to
go.
enjoy it. Miss,
Don't explain it to me already. I'm
You're not
holding
listening.
it
I
because I'm
didn't
not
say-
a kid. I know it. If you have a
Miss-
car, I have also a car. I know you don't want to spill anything. You want to protect me, not to spilling anything. Okay, that's it. Go now.
miss,
What
I'm
you want
trying
me
to
to do, sir?
I just wanted you to wipe it, that's all.
That's it. It's wiping in it. Look like I'm like a 16 years old to explaining on it.
Okay, miss. I'm trying to
Sir, I'm older than you. I know what I'm doing. I'm holding on it. Don't worry. If I spill
Miss-
something, I'm paying you.
Miss, I'm just trying to be polite and I'm trying to protect my car.
I know. Don't keep
Okay,
telling me. I
I'm
know
not
what
talking
I'm
to you
doing.
like you're a kid.
Sir, that's
Listen,
enough. Okay? I'm not a kid. Okay? I know what I'm doing. If I'm sorry
Mi-
if I've been still the COVID.
You're
I
miss,
didn't do anything.
miss-
That's why I removed right away.
all I wanted to do was make
that's
sure
enough.
my,
We're wasting our time.
how's your day going?
Next time, I'm gonna report to you, okay?
You're gonna report me?
You don't do that to your customer. I'm texting the one who they said you're late. I'm late. I know.
Sorry to
I-
hear that.
I said I'm still here.
I'm sorry to hear that, miss. Have a nice day, okay?
This was a frustrating situation because she didn't know she was spilling in my car and all I wanted to do was have her wipe her cup. And it didn't help that I'm not the best communicator in the world. It's something that I'm working on. Well, it's just another day in the life of being an Uber driver. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to live stream on Twitch tonight. I'm going to play some Call of Duty Warzone. So come join me, and I'll be there to answer any questions you may have, and I'll even read some of my mean comments. For example, this driver is the biggest idiot on YouTube. He has a confrontation with literally every passenger. You need to find another line of work if you can't deal with this minimal amount of complaining from customers. In retail, we deal with people who are 10 times this aggressive all day, every day. Thank you, Neil. Thank you.